Welcome to Storyboards. In this video, I will show you how to add interactivity between widgets by using actions. Let's open the storyboard called Sales in Edit mode. For the widget where you want to add interactivity, point to the pencil icon and click Manage Actions. The Actions pane appears. To add a new action, click Add New. Action is a visual effect that you get in target widgets, like highlighting, filtering, displaying or hiding another widget, opening a new storyboard, and so on. An event is how you initiate a visual effect, for example, by hovering or clicking. A target widget is a widget where a visual effect takes place. In the Target Widgets field, select both charts so that the elements in both charts are highlighted. Enter the action name and click Apply. The action has been added to the pane. Close the Widget Settings pane and switch to View mode. I will right-click different columns of the clustered column chart and observe what happens in the bubble chart. To reset highlighting, click the highlighted element. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.